multiplying fractions. The first step is going to be just multiplying the numerator, but the numerators on both fractions. So if we look at the first one, we're going to multiply 2 with 5, so 2 times 5 is 10. And then for the second step, you're just going to multiply the denominators together. So 2 times 5 is 10, and then for the second step, you're going to multiply the denominators together. And 3 times 6 is going to be 18. So 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 6 is 18. And then the last step, you simplify if it's possible. For that fraction 10 over 18, we can simplify it, we can reduce it down. We need to identify a common factor. If you're able to identify the highest common factor, then that would be even better. But if you can identify any common factor, that would be good. The highest common factor for this is going to be 2. That's also the common factor. And therefore, we reduce that fraction down to 5 over 9. We can't reduce it any further than that. And for the second question, 4 over 5 times by 3 over 8, we're going to multiply the numerators together, so 4 times by 3, which is 12. And then we're going to do 5 times by 8, which is 40. And then we're going to simplify the fraction because it can be simplified. So we're going to start by looking for a common factor. The common factor is 2, so we'll scale it down. And then the highest common factor would be 4. So if you divided both numerator and denominator by 4, you'll end up with the answer that we're going to get when we do it in parts like I have. 3 over 10, and that's the answer.